When it comes to replacing or purchasing equipment, the top reasons for doing so include such factors as food safety, escalating repair costs, durability, energy consumption, and adhering to new regulations and standards. Keeping equipment in good working order is critical to ensuring the quality and safety of food products. And the cost of repairs and maintenance of that equipment also must be factored into a food seller's budget. NAFEM defines total cost of ownership or life cycle cost analysis as a method of calculating the cost of ownership of a piece of equipment over its entire useful lifespan. Structural Concepts commissioned Intertek Laboratories to conduct a head-to-head comparison study of leading manufacturers' grab-and-go display cases to determine their total cost of ownership. Those products included both refrigerated and heated multi-shelf units, as well as refrigerated under-counter displays. Intertek evaluated the time to uncrate, position, and start up the equipment, measured the energy cost to operate the equipment, the time to carry out cleaning, as well as ongoing maintenance requirements as recommended by each manufacturer. Other factors, including equipment acquisition price and the expected life of the equipment's operation, projected to be 5 years, were also considered in the study. The overall findings showed Structural Concepts as having the lowest total cost of ownership over a 5-year period compared to the other manufacturers. In each of the 3 equipment categories studied, acquisition price was similar in at least 2 of the 3 manufacturer models, while the difference in the 5-year total cost of ownership widened among each of the manufacturers, ultimately favoring the Structural Concepts units. This indicated that the initial acquisition price comparison does not provide a full cost of ownership. Differences in energy consumption, maintenance, and product loss costs contributed to the highest variations in total cost of ownership for the models that were tested. Each of these factors are critical to consider after the first year of acquisition to ensure that your profit expectations from the equipment are met year after year. Remember, the lowest price doesn't always mean the best solution. Understand all installation and startup costs. Ask about daily energy consumption. Evaluate designs for easy cleaning and maintenance, and test performance to ensure shelf life expectations. To learn about how Structural Concepts can lower your total cost of ownership, please contact your local sales rep by going to structuralconcepts.com. Structural Concepts, delivering fresh, always.